Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This won't help that many people. And I've done a video on this kind of, but I found a new way to do it. And I made 7 pages, so it's not that big a deal because you can see all 7 pages. And if you had 200 pages, which I can't imagine, but there are people that do that, you can go to go to layout and go to page and open up the screen and you can go, I want to go to page 7, and it'll go to page 7. But the other way to do it, instead of going up there, which is, 1 click, 2 clicks, you can click right here on the pages. Just click your mouse, and then if you want to go to page, you can actually scale up or type in 6 and then hit OK, and it'll go to page 6. Now, like I said, no big deal. There's 7 pages. But if you had 200 pages and you wanted to go to a pretty nice page or like 199, just go to layout, go to page, and hit that. Now you could most definitely probably make a hotkey for that, and maybe I'll make that video right now to make this video a little bit more interesting. Let's go to Tools, Options, and Customization, and go to Commands, and then type in, well, you can either type it in, or you can go right here to Layout, go to Page, and there it is right there, and then go to Shortcut Keys. See, there's no shortcut. I don't know what you could use, but maybe alternate P. It's not being used by anything, and hit Assign, and then it'll say OK. So instead of moving your mouse, you could go alternate P, and it's going to bring that up, and you could go to page 2. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.